Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to create a fabulous Sanrio Kuromi inspired outfit in Dress to Impress. Kuromi is the perfect blend of punk rock cute and gothic charm, guaranteed to make it your fan favorite on the runway for any e-girl, goth or cute villain theme. If you're ready to channel your inner mischief maker, just watch this video. So for the hair, I only use this updo in here and color it black and purple. Now let's just make the outfit. So I'm going to put on the top first. Here I'm going to use this one. First color, black, and second one, use this purple color, like the one on the hair, like this. Then put on these boots and change the third and last color into purple. Go in here and put on the stockings, make it thick. Now I'm going to use these glasses here to glitz into number 2. Change the color to black. Let's make the ears by using the hat. So first put on this one right here in white color. I'm going to make all the material light silk. Then put on this cat ears hat, light silk, now in black color for this one, and the sun hat also in black color, again in light silk. Now you can put on this baby mask to glitz into on head, and first baby white, second one black. Grab this purse, change the color into black, and for the details, purple. Put on these ribbons in here in a purple, make the ears. Now to finish the look, you can first put on this skirt in purple color and combine it with this skirt in here in black. Now go to the dressing room. You can put on this right here, purple color. This dress to glitz into number 4, so only use the sleeves and change the color to black. And that's it. So this will be the final look of Kuromi in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.